Are you holding on your dream business just because you are afraid of your competition? What a shame! That is a limited belief, and I can guarantee you that whatever is the business you have in your mind, you can still launch it even with a lot of competition and actually succeed. It's not new that all business already exists. It's difficult to come up with a new idea that nobody else already thought about. So what's going to make you be different from them? It's the little thing that you will add to your business that nobody else do, that will make you stand out from the competition, even if you are selling the exact same product or service than them. So how are you going to come up with this value proposition that only you can add to your business? You certainly heard about business strategy, and by me you heard about WebStrategy. Well, if you combine those two strategies, you will get a very efficient cocktail. So the business strategy is actually the most common and is what everyone should do when creating their business, because this is actually a plan that you will do to know how to run efficiently your business in the mid and long term. But the same way you need this business strategy, you also need nowadays a web strategy. Why? Because you also need to plan how you're going to sell efficiently your services or products on the web. So what do you think that will happen if you combine your business strategy with your web strategy? Well, let me tell you. That is an explosive cocktail that will generate consistent sales to your business. So now you have a reason to not give up in your dream business. If you follow this process, I guarantee you that you will stand out from your competition.